SGMT stock analysis and SGMT stock prediction. So in this 1-minute video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. And as the only guy in this space that's actually done 40,000 videos, I have proof of everything. I've seen what's making me money, what's not. Taking me 5 years to come to this point, really. So since last time I made a video, do you know how much we've gone up? We've doubled in price. Here it is. Like, this was made 7 days back, 5th of June. Boom. 409 it was sitting at. And unless the price gave me that confirmation, I was not willing to buy, really. So we were sitting at $4 at the time, man. And guess what happened? Since then, we're 8. Beautiful delivery. Since it's pumping up and I haven't got my confirmation set up, I'm willing to just get involved and double down like crazy. Not in a way where I'm just gonna randomly buy. The rules must be met, you know. So that's how the price is looking like for me. So I'm just gonna mark up the top here real quick. If it doesn't pull down and give me the rules, then I guess I'm not buying. Very simple, very brief. What I'm not gonna be doing is randomly buying stuff, right? So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description.